Hello friends, thank you very much for your kind support, and because of your appreciation only I will keep going and post this second video on vendor qualification in pharmaceutical industry. Now let us understand why vendor need to be qualified and what is the vendor qualification procedure. Now we all know that medicine directly affect on the human health. The patient safety is more important, and in pharmaceutical industry a small variation in the raw material can directly affect the safety of drug. So the qualification procedure is necessary. The qualification procedure reduce the risk of contamination. Hence the qualified vendor are those vendor who produces the consistent and highly quality of the raw material. So the vendor need to be qualified. Now we will see the qualification procedure. So QA department send the specification of material to the purchase department. Purchase department identify the new vendor, matches with the specification and send 3 sample for analysis. The quality control department analyze these 3 sample and generate the VSR reports. These VSR reports are then submitted to head QA. After reviewing of these reports, the QA and found satisfactory, the head QA then ask for the vendor qualification document. The vendor qualification document like vendor questionnaire, technical agreement and accreditation of the company. The product specific document like route of synthesis, process flow chart and their brief manufacturing process and the stability data. Also ask for the declaration like TSC BSC declaration, elemental impurity declaration, nitrosamine declaration, GMO and melamine declaration. So by reviewing all these vendor questionnaire document and found satisfactory, the next step is vendor audit. Go for vendor audit. Whatever the vendor observation is there, send through mail communication and expect the vendor should have to be submit the vendor CAPA report within 30 days. So after reviewing all this vendor CAPA report, VSR report and vendor qualification report, if found satisfactory, this vendor is added into approved vendor list. Now this is all about the vendor qualification procedure. Now this qualification procedure is need to be evaluated after some period of time, and hence requalification criteria is there. So high risk vendor are requalified after 2 years. The medium risk vendor are qualified after 3 years, and the low risk vendor are qualified after 5 years. So this is all about the qualification procedure of vendor. Thank you.